Copper is toxic according to the medical medium. Well, I'm going to continue drinking out of my copper bottle, just like all the copper pipes that are still in 90+% of homes in Britain, including my own. Sure, they're being replaced by plastic pipes now, but is that a health change or a cost-saving measure? Last I heard, we were all being told to cut down on plastics. And the whole copper is toxic debate is an interesting thing, because our body is primarily copper and carbon, so how can copper be toxic? And then the other thing too, is copper and carbon create electricity, and our bodies function on electricity. If we don't have electricity, our body doesn't function. That's why we can use defibrillators to zap people back to life. And people used to wear copper to get rid of inflammation and pain. That was a big one when I was growing up. You'd see copper bracelets for sale for just that reason. So it doesn't make a lot of sense that copper is toxic to our bodies, if it's part of our body. And remember, what is it we're encouraged to cut down on and minimise for the good of the planet, the good of the food chain and the good of our health? Plastic, not copper.